Imagine standing at the center of a sea where the shores are not miles away, but millions of light years. In every direction, nothing. No stars to guide the traveler. No distant galaxies to remind us of life. Just the weight of an absolute, unending silence. This is the Boötes Void, the great nothing, a wound in the fabric of the cosmos that defies the very laws of how we thought the universe was built. Our universe is a web. Matter clings to matter, drawn together by the invisible hands of gravity. We call it the cosmic web. Under normal circumstances, a region of this size, 330 million light-years across, should contain at least 2,000 galaxies. 2,000 thriving islands of light. But in the Boötes Void, we have found barely 60. Scientists believe this void was once smaller, perhaps several soap bubble voids that drifted too close and merged. Like droplets of oil on water, they consumed one another, clearing the stage, leaving behind a theater with no actors. To understand the scale is to understand our own insignificance. If the Milky Way were at the center of the Boötes Void, we would have lived in total isolation. For centuries, for millennia, we would have looked through our telescopes and seen only black. We would not have known that other galaxies existed. We would have believed that our lonely spiral was the only thing in the entire, infinite, dark. Cosmology rests on a single pillar, the cosmological principle. It states that on a large enough scale, the universe is uniform, the same in every direction. The Boötes Void is the exception that breaks the rule. It is too empty, too perfect in its vacuity. It challenges the timeline of the Big Bang. How could gravity move so much matter, so far, in only 13.8 billion years? The math doesn't always add up. It suggests that either our understanding of gravity is incomplete, or the void is not a product of nature alone. There are those who look at this void and see not a natural phenomenon, but a footprint. A Kardashev Type 3 civilization, one capable of harnessing the energy of an entire galaxy, would effectively blink out that galaxy, shrouding it in Dyson spheres. Could the Boötes Void be an expanding empire? A silent, growing shadow of intelligence consuming the light, leaving behind only the heat of its existence? Or perhaps it is a glimpse into our inevitable future. As dark energy accelerates the expansion, all galaxies will eventually drift apart until every corner of space looks like the Boötes Void. We fear the dark because we are creatures of the light. We seek patterns. We seek meaning. We seek company. But the Boötes Void reminds us that the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. It exists in its terrifying, glorious nothingness. And perhaps there is a stoic peace to be found in the realization that in the end, the void does not care if we look into it or if we look away. It is simply there. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.